Fine. This is the problem number 28. Let us check out this. A crockery dealer ordered for 50 pieces of china tea sets for rupees 18,000. Right. So what we can do now? They have given the cost price. Right. Cost price of the china tea sets is 18,000 rupees. Right. How many pieces? See, like when the goods arrived, he found that two tea sets were damaged. So that is 18,000 for 50 tea sets, right? Right. Now what happened? After the goods arrived, he found that two tea sets were damaged. That is 50 minus 2 is equal to 48 tea sets is there with him now. At what price per set should he sell the remaining tea sets to earn a total profit of 1,200. Suppose we are supposed to sell it for how much? That is what we are supposed to find now. Now the selling price of the 48 tea sets, this is what we need to find out. Right. Now what happens here? We need to get profit also, right? So 48x is equal to 18,000. This is cost price of 50, but now it becomes 48 plus 1,200 is the profit, right? So that's what x is equal to, add this is going to become 18 plus 1,200, that is 19,200, that divided by 48. If you simplify, you are going to get the answer. Let me simplify it here. So let us go with the 4 ones are 4 2s are 4 4s are 4, here 3 remainder, 4 8s are. This is 4,800. That is 4,800, that divided by 12. Now you can divide directly by 12. 12 ones are 12 fours are. This will become 400. So he is supposed to sell at the rate of 400. So selling price of those 48 should be 400 rupees, so that he can make a profit of 1,200. The answer here is 400 rupees.